Hey, what's up everybody? Dave Who Like here. Now, if you're like me, you hate that YouTube is this white experience. It's just terrible, right? And I'm not talking about the people. I'm talking, it's not, say no to racist. No, so I'm talking about that the background to YouTube is so white. It burns the eyes. I hate it. Well, thankfully, YouTube's finally come out with an update, at least on Android, because that's what I have represent. So go ahead, make sure you've got the latest version. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S8 right now, and all this video footage that you're watching is of me playing around in this dark theme. So you click on your profile icon, and then from there you click on Settings, and then you click on General, and make sure to turn on that dark theme. I'm so freaking happy that this is finally here, because now I can finally respond to you all and your wonderful comments at 3 a.m. and not be blinded by my cell phone. Thank you, YouTube. You finally done something good.